Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're managing your business on Facebook and need to remove a page from Meta Business Suite, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to do it in 2025. Whether you're reorganizing your accounts or phasing out an old page, this process is straightforward but important to get right to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Meta Business Suite account. Head over to business.facebook.com and sign in with the credentials linked to the page you want to remove. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand menu. This is where all your managed pages are listed. Next, select the specific page you want to remove by clicking on it. This will take you to the page's dashboard. Now, look for the Settings tab at the top. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click on that and scroll down to the General or Page Information section. Here, you might find an option labeled Remove Page or something similar like Delete Page. Before you proceed, a word of caution. Removing a page is permanent, so double-check that you really want to do this. It will delete all content, likes, and followers associated with it. If you're sure, click on the Remove option and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You'll likely need to enter your password or verify via two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, the page will be removed from your business suite. It might take a few minutes to fully process, so give it some time. And remember, if you change your mind, you may not be able to recover the page easily. There you have it. A simple guide to removing a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.